Yes, people. Right now we're going to steam some callaloo with shredded carrots. And right here we have all of the ingredients we're going to use. We have some garlic diced up with pepper, scallion and onion and salt to your taste. So if you don't know, callaloo is most people's favorite vegetable for breakfast. And everybody's supposed to know how to prepare callaloo. You strip it and clean it up and wash it. Now you will cut it up. Now this callaloo seems tender, so they won't take long to steam. You know you don't over steam vegetables. I'd rather cut them this way because sometimes cutting on a cutting board, you get little pieces of board in the meat. So I'd rather cut them like this. I have to be careful with the knife so I don't cut myself. Alright, finish cutting up the callaloo now. So we're gonna add some oil to the pot on the fire. Just a little for starting. See? We're gonna add the garlic and the pepper to that. And to this now we're going to add the callaloo. So we're going to cover this pot. Steam. And stir. Now everyone steam their callaloo differently. This is how I do mine. So I'll normally make my callaloo steam about 10 to 15 minutes. And when it's almost steam, I'll add in the rest of my fresh seasoning, like the scallion and the onion. It's about 2 stalks of scallion and half of onion. And the shredded carrot. And then you'll add salt to your taste. So I stir constantly. I don't have to add any water because I don't know vegetable has their own water. And now it's almost steamed, so I'm going to add my carrots and the rest of seasoning. add a little color, make it more interesting and attractive. Now we'll add the scallion, the onion. So this now I want to add a little more cooking oil. When you have green, orange, red, and white. Lower the fire. Let me start a few more seconds. Okay, this color is ready now, steamed, ready for share and eating. I'm going to dish up this in this calabash bowl. Just keep it natural and simple. You can have this with whatever you want to have it with. So this is my steamed calabash. This is how I steam it. With shredded carrots. Most of the time. Thank you. Now this is a natural calabash bowl that grows on the tree all around. What we do now, we pick it when it's full, cut it, scrape the inside from it, and then you have a bowl. You can use it for either drinking or eating, whichever purpose. This is a flatbread that I choose to have with my callaloo. And we can show you how we prepare this at a later date. Okay. So if you like this video, you can give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy recipe